Motors family, this is the 1997 Suzuki Carry van. This Suzuki Carry van has a water-cooled Suzuki 3-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. It comes with 69,588 original miles. It is 4-door and it also comes with a rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, as y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. As y'all can see right here, that is the kilometers, 111,993. The miles on it again is 69,588. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on any of our videos or deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com. Or you can give us a call at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all might have. I really do want to tell you that we really do appreciate you guys. Thank you for the continual support. Have a blessed and safe day.